Welcome to Dreamcars, your ultimate destination for exploring the finest vehicles ever built. Here, we dive deep into the world of iconic automobiles, bringing you detailed insights, expert opinions, and comprehensive reviews of cars that stir the soul. In this video, we turn our focus to the Dodge Custom, a name that represents a unique chapter in American automotive history. The Dodge Custom, particularly known for its presence in the late 1940s through the 1950s, stood as a symbol of innovation, comfort, and performance during its time. This model was part of Dodge's effort to offer a more refined and upscale experience to customers who were seeking something beyond basic transportation. With its distinctive styling, robust build, and a blend of power and luxury, the Dodge Custom quickly carved out its identity in a competitive market. Under the hood, the Dodge Custom was typically equipped with a straight-six engine, offering dependable performance and smooth operation. Engine sizes varied depending on the year, but many models featured the 230 cubic inch displacement engine, which was mated to either a manual transmission or Dodge's innovative Euro-Motive semi-automatic gearbox. This allowed drivers to enjoy a level of ease and convenience that was ahead of its time, especially considering the mechanical complexity of most cars in the post-war era. In terms of exterior design, the Dodge Custom featured bold, sweeping lines with a substantial front grille, rounded fenders, and chrome accents that added a sense of elegance. Its visual appeal was further enhanced by the wide stance and balanced proportions, giving it a road presence that was both confident and inviting. The car was available in several body styles including sedans, coupes, and convertibles, offering buyers a variety of choices to match their preferences and needs. Step inside the cabin, and the Dodge Custom truly starts to live up to its name. The interior was designed with passenger comfort in mind, offering plush seating, spacious legroom, and a dashboard layout that was both functional and stylish. Materials used in the cabin included high-quality cloth and leatherette, while the instrument cluster provided essential information through large, easy-to-read gauges. Additional features like a heater, radio, and even optional overdrive made long drives more enjoyable and relaxing. One of the standout qualities of the Dodge Custom was its ride quality. The car featured advanced suspension for its time, delivering a smooth and stable ride over various road surfaces. Combined with precise steering and reliable braking systems, the Dodge Custom offered a driving experience that was both secure and satisfying. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on open highways, the car remained composed and capable. Safety was also a consideration in the Dodge Custom's design. While not comparable to modern standards, the car included essential features such as strong steel construction, safety glass, and improved visibility. These aspects contributed to a more secure environment for drivers and passengers alike during an era when vehicle safety was still in its early stages of development. Collectors and enthusiasts today admire the Dodge Custom not only for its nostalgic value but also for its mechanical simplicity and classic design. Restored models often feature in car shows and vintage events, showcasing the timeless appeal of a car that helped shape an era. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, and parts availability remains decent thanks to a dedicated community of Dodge aficionados. In summary, the Dodge Custom is a remarkable example of American automotive ingenuity, blending style, performance, and comfort in a way that still resonates with classic car lovers today. If you are a fan of vintage cars or simply appreciate the legacy of well-built machines, the Dodge Custom is a model worth exploring in detail. Thanks for watching this video on Dreamcars. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Dodge Custom. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, stories, and features from the world of legendary automobiles.